At Blanchards Law, we believe that it's very important for our clients to have confidence in us and for us to have a good rapport with them. So I would like to talk about how you go about choosing the right lawyer for you. Research is very important. Clients will ask their friends and family, look at the telephone directory or on the internet. Do Google the lawyer that you want to go and see, find out about their professional qualifications and memberships and how long they've been in practice. If you can't find the information that you want, don't be afraid to ask. We would certainly not be offended if you asked us such questions. Here at Blanchards Law, we try to offer a more holistic service, such as mediation and also collaborative law, to help you through this process. Do ring around a few places and get an idea of what the lawyer is like by speaking to them. If you find that you can't get past the secretary, well, this will be a good indication of what your lawyer will be like later on in the case in terms of how accessible they will be. If you do like what you hear on the telephone, then do make an appointment to go and see them. But remember, first impressions do count. This is an interview for someone who's going to be doing one of the most important jobs for you in your life. So make sure you do make the right choice. Your relationship with your lawyer is very important, but you are the client and it's important that you're in the driving seat and not your lawyer. Make sure that they're not going to be too aggressive. Look at all the letters that they're going to be writing to your spouse as they set the tone for the entire case. When your spouse sees a letter, they're not going to be thinking, oh, it's the lawyer that's writing, but that the instructions are coming from you. So the tone is very important. A good lawyer will talk to you about all the options in your case to do with your divorce, children and finances. Do listen to the advice that you are given. We would always advise you to seek a second opinion, and we certainly wouldn't be offended if you went off and spoke to somebody else to confirm the advice that we'd given. Don't treat your lawyer as your friend, social worker or therapist. Not only is this very expensive, but you'll find your lawyer distinctly unenthusiastic about speaking to you at the end of your case when they can't charge you for it. You're entitled to cost advice at the beginning and all the way through your case. That means that you should be receiving bills regularly, but also you shouldn't be afraid to ring your lawyer at any time and ask exactly how much work is being done and how much you're being billed. Here at Blanchards Law, we invoice our clients on a monthly basis or more frequently if that's what the case demands. You and your spouse are entitled to complete confidentiality from your lawyers. That means that if you say something to your lawyer, you don't expect it to be repeated back to you by your spouse later on down the line. Hopefully you found these tips useful. If you'd like to speak to us, please do drop us an email or give us a ring. We're very pleased to speak to you.